Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can redirect the messages from people you follow on Pinterest to message request. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on your profile icon, then select three dots icon. Next, tap on settings and then open social permissions and activity. From here, select message settings and then open the following option. After that, tap on the circular icon beside message request and that's it. Now, all of the messages from the people you follow on Pinterest will be redirected to the message request. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.